Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the symmetric difference update method. And what the symmetric difference update method does, man, that is a tongue twister, it compares two sets together. And it's going to find what objects are at the intersection. And those objects at the intersection are going to be removed. And the objects that are not an intersection or the same in both sets, we're going to take those objects and update the set that we called the method on. So the first set that we call the method on, we're going to update that to represent all the objects between the two sets that are not at the intersection. So let's go ahead and take a look. A is equal to a set of numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. There's our two sets. Now we're going to call the symmetric difference update method on it. So a.symetric difference update. And we're going to pass B as the argument. Call A. And notice we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you notice in there 4 was removed. Well, 4 is in the intersection between the two sets, or the same in both sets. So we're going to remove that, and we're going to update A with the objects that are not in the intersection. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 are not in the intersection, so we update them. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example. Let's go ahead and do, let's create another set. So we'll do C is 5, 6, 4, and 3. All right, and let's just call B to reassure what it is. It's 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well, let's call B dot symmetric underscore difference update. And pass C as the argument, call B, and we get 3 and 7. There you go. All right, so now we got 3 and 7 returned to us because 3 and 7 are not in the intersection. 5 is in both sets, 6 is in both sets, 4 is in both sets, so they're considered an intersection. 7's not in both sets, and 3's not in both sets, so they're considered not an intersection, so we update the first set. All right, so just like several other methods on sets in Python, we have a symmetric difference update operator, which is the up caret and the equal sign. All right, so this is how we can compare using an operator. If you ask me, it's a heck of a lot easier than writing symmetric difference update. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to clear my screen, and we'll do A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. We got our two sets. And we'll do A, the caret, the equal sign, and call B, call A. And now we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 4 was omitted because it's in the intersection. Well, let's go ahead and call B again and then create C. And we'll do C is 5, 6, 7. No. 5, 6, 4, and 3 is what we used before. And we'll do B, the caret, equal sign, C, and call B, and now we got 3 and 7. So there you go. Now, I always say you're probably better off using the method because it's easier to read, but writing this method out is a pain in the butt. So feel free to use the operator if you want to. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know over at mastercode.online or below in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about more set stuff.